In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a pop-up form, a discount form, or even a sales form on your website or your landing page using MailChimp. It's very much simple and easy. So you can see this is the platform. Just create an account here, come on here to forms, and you can see you can create a pop-up here. So already, let me show you guys something. This is the website I was running, and you can see people subscribe with the contact forms here. You can see this is from the website. So let me scroll down and you can see pop-up forms, and so this is from inbox and the rest. So let me show you guys how to do the same here, make it look professional on your website or your landing page. So you just tap on this to create a pop-up form here. So good. So now MailChimp is more advanced. You can see, so this is for discount, this is for free shipping, this is for free content. If someone hops on your website and you want to give them some sort of ebook you've written by yourself, but you need to collect their email before you give them the book, you can, create that sort of pop-up on here. You can create this free consultation, newsletter, and the rest. So let me choose view or template for you guys to see. So let me choose discount, and you can see this is going to look on your website. And this is for marketing. Let me scroll up here. This is for free shipping. This is for free content, mostly for ebooks and the rest. You can see you just need to tap on it and you start your editing and you're good to go. So now let's come here to all the offers here, and now let's move back to here, and now let's try to choose something that's very much simple, which is a general newsletter. I want this content to be very much fast, but then when you follow the procedure, you can do all that. So let's choose something that's very much simple. Let me go with this. Let me try to apply it. You can preview it before you apply it. So this is a preview of how it's going to look like. So ideally we are just going to change the image here to a logo of our website or something nice, and then we just let them enter their email or something like that, and that's it. So you can see let me make this. You can customize this. So let me do it. The B is not an N. So newsletter and email address. I'm just going to take an email address from this. Simple. And let me start creating the form. And now the edit, you can edit everything here. And with you guys, you can see you can edit everything here. This is the first page, this is the second page, and this is the third page. That's the thank you page. This is where they are going to enter their emails and the rest. So now the offer is here. You tap on that. You can see you can remove everything. When I select count me in, I can even change the text here. You can see all these things are here for you. You can change how it appears and the rest, the thickness and all that. So let me double tap it for you guys to see. Let me Ctrl+C, and you can see I've copied it. I'm not going to do that. That's just for tutorials. Let me come back to all the steps. So you can change everything. You can add an image. You can just double tap the image and then delete it. You get it? Now let's come back here, and now let's move to the section here, which is the email capture here, which is very much important. So you can choose to write something here, calling for volunteers and blah 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 blah. You can also do it, enter your email here for monthly or weekly newspapers, something like that. If it's a website or a blog, you can customize all that. You can remove this, double tap it and you remove it, and you upload a different image. You can see this is the image here. You can remove it or you can upload the image there. You get it? And now let's come back. And now to the confirmation, which is the thank you page. You can see after they've entered their email there, you can show something here. So this is a logo here, and you can add something here, and mostly there's a thank you page here. So this is how it's appearing on a mobile phone, and this is how it's going to appear on a PC. The mobile phone is going to squeeze the image on top and make it look this type of vertical, and with a laptop it's going to be more broad. So that's it, simple as that. You can change everything here. Just select it and you come on here, and then you come and confirm your changes, do everything here. You can add animations, videos, and the rest. So after that, after all your edits, you know what to do. You save and preview. You can change your colors as well. You can see everything is here. So now let's come here to save and preview. They are going to give us a link, and we are going to embed that link on our website. So they enter their email here, or they can choose the no thanks to just cancel and not subscribe to your newsletter on your website. So now let's publish it. Change the audience and the rest. So they are saying we need to change all this. That this is for tutorial purposes, so I don't want to do all that. The video is going to be a long one already. I think we've spent almost 4 minutes on 5 minutes on here. It's going to be a long one. I want this to be a short one, so you can do all that edit. And now you publish. They are going to give you a link and you go and embed it on your website. So I think if you are doing website development or management, you should know that. But then if you guys have a problem with that too, you can let me know, and I'm going to use my pop-up form I created just like I showed you earlier. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to embed the link, or how I embedded the link on my website. You can see this is from contact, this is from contact, this is from contact. So that's it on how you can create a pop-up form, whether it's for your discount, your free ebooks and the rest. You can embed it on your landing page or your normal website, and then start getting people to subscribe to your email list, and then start sending them your newsletters and then your offers. So that's it for the video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. So if you are new here, try to give me a like and also subscribe.